Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. This from Edmunds.com. Powerful and unapologetically American, the Cadillac Escalade ESV is the big kahuna of the Escalade luxury SUV family. Cadillac is driving the world forward. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.